This is the Caterpillar 797F. Engineered scale, absolute power, factory perfection.
A perfect shell awaits mechanical life.
High-strength steel is forged to withstand unimaginable load.
Every giant begins as raw material, measured, inspected, and prepared.
Controlled cooling defines strength at the molecular level.
Precision machining shapes every critical dimension.
Every connection is verified before permanent bonding. Structural integrity is built under controlled force. Alignment is set within millimeters.
Every surface is refined for exact alignment. Automated welding ensures absolute consistency.
Mounting points are engineered for extreme load.
Every weld is digitally verified. Strength is built where it's never seen. Each seam becomes a permanent bond.
Preparation protects precision.
Clean surfaces ensure flawless assembly. Scale defines everything here. The platform for power is ready. Next comes the heart of the machine. Precision machining ensures maximum performance.
Preparation protects the massive machine.
Systems awaken in controlled precision.
Every circuit flows in perfect order. Load-bearing components assembled with surgical precision. Load-bearing components assembled with surgical precision. Scale demands absolute control. Power flows through every engineered shaft. Power flows through every engineered shaft. Every bolt calibrated to factory specification. Precision mounts secure the heart of the machine. The power unit approaches its home.
Every surface is verified for factory perfection.
Fuel flows flawlessly through engineered precision. Forced induction brings unmatched torque. Precision fit delivers reliability under extreme load. Every rotation is engineered for power.
Industrial yellow emerges in perfection.
Primer creates the foundation for flawless color. A perfect shell awaits mechanical life.
Protection ensures the machine is ready for assembly.
Protection ensures the machine is ready for assembly.
Primer creates the foundation for flawless color.
Longevity begins beneath the surface. Forced induction brings unmatched torque. Precision fit delivers reliability under extreme load.
Precision machining ensures maximum performance.
Fuel flows flawlessly through engineered precision. Every bolt calibrated to factory specification. Final touches refine every reflection.
Industrial yellow emerges in perfection.
Final touches refine every reflection. The frame is tested before it ever moves. Every rotation is engineered for power. The heart of the Caterpillar 797F arrives in absolute scale. Precision mounts secure the heart of the machine. The power unit approaches its home.
The foundation now gleams in its signature color.
Before motion comes precision. The heart of the Caterpillar 797F arrives in absolute scale. The foundation is complete.
Curing ensures long-lasting perfection.
Curing ensures long-lasting perfection. Every layer is cured to specification. A perfect shell awaits mechanical life.
This is the Caterpillar 797F. Engineered scale, absolute power, factory perfection.